All right, here we are, soaking wet today. Just soaked. But got Josh here on the ladder on the second story. He's cleaning out a dryer vent. He's done run 12 foot through it. He done run 12 foot. As you see, a 12-foot dryer extension from the inside out. Now, it still didn't go all the way out, so now he's going the rest of the way. About 8 foot into it. Seeing what he can get out of it, but that should definitely get whatever's in there out of there. Yeah, there we go. Look there. Yeah, boy, there it comes. There we go. Do that a couple times and you'll be good to go. Yeah, look at that. Yes, that's what we're looking for. All right. Spin it the whole way, the whole time you're sticking her in there. Keep your finger on that trigger the whole time. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Yeah, now bring it out the whole way, spinning the whole way. There you go, look at that. Oh yeah.